Happy New Year, everyone! Hey Mecha fans, welcome back for another preview. This time we will be looking at the KMR model kit with metal frame. This is the 1:144 High New Gundam, dubbed also as Mr. Manatee. The surface details is not quite as detailed as the RG released by Bandai, but this one will include metal parts for sturdiness and stability. Some of the parts are pre-painted, so this will look good out of the box built. And since we are getting metal parts for this build, this will improve also the center of gravity, even if this one has a huge backpack. They have also added forward extension to the shoulders to increase the range of motion. And they also added a pull-down feature to the hips and also toe joints to enhance the ground poses. And based on the photo, we will be getting funnel effects parts, which will add dynamic display options. And a 310mm pre-assembled blaster is also included. But more information will be coming in for that later. Hopefully we get an action base for this kit as well. And next on the list is the Zero Plan model kit, dubbed as Giant Claw Wolf Attack. This accessory works especially with the Master Grade SD Barbatos and with the HG model of Barbatos, Barbatos Lupus, and Barbatos Lupus Rex. It is worth noting that the 5 fingers are movable, the wrist rotates left and right, and the hand bends down. The main body of the claw has a movable joints and a movable tail. It also has a complete arm skeleton. More information will be released later. I already have seen stores setting up a pre-order price release for roughly about $16 US. Thank you for reaching this far. Subscribe for more update. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.